set it straight. Being a content creator, being a YouTuber, being a business owner is stressful. Like you wear 1,001 cap all at the same time. You have to be proactive. You have to know how to multitask, and you have to know how to work smartly. Like you have to be smart. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. It's good to be back again today, yeah, with some juicy, spicy and hot information. You know, on this channel I get to talk about business ideas that you can start, ways you can grow your business. I talk about how you can monetize your skills, and of course, being a new entrepreneur myself, on this channel as well I get to talk about platforms, products, services. Does this sound interesting to you? Would you want to be part of my community? Please subscribe and press that notification bell. Just turn it on, you know, so that whenever I upload new videos, you will always come to watch my videos. So don't just watch the videos, share as well, comment, like, and subscribe. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you for always sending the emails. Like I say, the emails helps me. You really don't know how much these emails helps me. Like, you know, as a content creator, it's more rewarding if you're getting to give people information that would help them. It's just like doing a business. You don't have to think just about yourself. You should give out values that would help people. So thank you so much for always sending in the email. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So today's video is another special video. Okay, extra steps in you. Why? So what is special about today's video? You really want to know? In today's video, I'm collaborating with Teey Vlogs. Teey Vlogs is a Nigerian YouTuber based in Portharcourt, and her channel is about everything female relationship, music, and lifestyle. Like, you should listen to her sing. So, you see, it's a special edition. So please subscribe to her channel. I would also leave links to our own video in the comment section, in the description box, and in this video as well, so that you can easily click on it and watch our own video on this collaboration as well. So what is today's collaboration all about? Yes, this collaboration is just an opportunity for me to talk about some things that I've been asked. Since I became a YouTuber, I've been asked so many questions like, oh, how do you cope with stress being a YouTuber? How do you cope with stress being a business owner? You know, people just want to know how you do these things, and it seems so seamless. So this collaboration is an opportunity for me to talk about what I do to manage stress. So let's go right into the video. Set it straight. Like, being a content creator, being a YouTuber, being a business owner is stressful. Like, you wear 1,001 cap all at the same time. You have to be proactive. You have to know how to multitask, and you have to know how to work smartly. Like, you have to be smart. These are very, very important. Know how to multitask, be proactive, and know how to work smart. There is, no matter the field, no matter what you do for a living, it comes with its own stress, it comes with its own price. It's now for you to work your way around it. Okay, what ways work best for me? How can I make this life easy? How can I make this job easy for myself? So personally, you need to know what works for you, or how to go around it. If first thing first, try to know what you need to do to make your life easy doing what you love to do. Most people are content creators because they love to do it. So first thing I tell people is, okay, this is what you love to do. Look for ways that makes it easy for you so that you will not get burnt out. In this video, I will be sharing my tips on how I manage stress as a YouTuber from a business owner point of view. So the first thing I do is I am not after quantity, like, no, I'm after quality. So what I tell people is price quality over quantity. Whatever you're putting to the face of your audience, whatever you're introducing to your customers, to your client base, should be quality. Like, the quality what should be topmost. Same way I deal with putting out content on YouTube. Because if you keep going about the quantity, you get burnt out. I don't think there's anything as stressful as trying to get quantity out, then you get it out and people says that it is not the quality they want. That can be a breaking point. If you put out quality, it's a way to build trust, and once trust is built, it breeds loyalty. If you're able to convince your customer, if you're able to win their trust over, then they will be loyal to you. They will always come to watch your content, and you will not be burnt out. Like, it will be a tragic thing for you to put this content out and nobody comes to watch it. Like, thinking about mass production and nobody comes to look at your offering. Like, what have you got to offer? Quality over quantity. That's my number one aim, and that has helped me in reducing the stress as a YouTuber. Number two, there are days I don't feel like handling my camera. There are days that I know that if I sit down to record, the output would not be as good as expected. So those days, what do? I leave it. I just let it pass. Like, okay, I can always come to do this another time. There are days I just don't feel up to it, and I just let it pass. Like, okay, this is not a struggle to start now, to let it go. I don't force myself to create. No. So if I don't feel it, I do not create. Putting out content daily or every minute is not a way to measure consistency if you're not up to it. That's why I say, know your level first. What can you undo? Do not start where you cannot finish. Otherwise, you'll just get yourself all burnt out and discouraged. That takes me to the third point. Know what your body capacity can take. Okay, what is your stress capacity? How elastic is your body to stress? Do not overstress yourself. These are ways I manage stress. Like, okay, I know what my body capacity can take. So at that point where I know that, oh yes, you're almost getting there, you're almost breaking down, oh, you're bringing this upon yourself, I quickly switch off. Like, okay. And that has helped me a whole lot. Like, I know what my body capacity can take, so I don't overstretch it. I know what works for me, so I'm not ready to overstep my boundary as far as my body capacity is concerned. And number four, I've seen so many to be the first at it. Fine, there's no harm in being the first, and this is one thing I tell my customers as well. Like, oh, you should be the first to do this. No, I don't have to be the first to do it. I just want to bring out the best of me. I can be the person that will bring out the best of it. Do you understand? Like, okay, on this YouTube, as a content creator, I want to be the first to jump on this trend, or I want to be the first to go by this. No, I don't want to be the first, but I want to bring out the best. If you understand that. So I tell people, accept it when you cannot be the first, but being the best is more important. These are ways I manage stress personally. Like, oh no, I'm not in competition with anybody. The only competition I see here is myself. So I have to bring out the best of me in whatever I want to do. Then I know when to take a break. When necessary, when necessary, please take a break. We cannot be all out there everywhere always. When necessary, take a break. Especially when your body is telling you need a break. Please take a break. Then in conclusion, taking care of our health is very, very important. As content creators that we get to talk a lot, always check your vocals. This is one thing that we need to do. I consume water a lot. I take a lot, like fruit infused water constantly. These are tips that have helped me as a content creator, as a business owner. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please, I would really love to hear from you. If there's anything you do that has helped you break your stress level as a YouTuber, I want to read your comments in the comment section. I want business owner, as a content creator, I would really want to learn more. Like, I want the best out of life. So I'm leaving the link to Teey Vlogs video up. So let's go to her channel to know what she has to say about managing stress as a female YouTuber. I'm sure she has a whole lot of nuggets that would help us. Let's go over. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'll leave it in the comment section. I'll pin it there. Subscribe as you watch our videos. You really want to be a part of our community. Teey Vlogs, thank you for this opportunity to collaborate with you. Thank you so much. If you are watching my video for the first time, if you are seeing me for the first time and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And like I always say, share my videos, comment, like, and all my existing subscribers, of course, you know what I would say. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for always engaging me in the comment section. I really appreciate that. So let's go over to Teey Vlogs. Thank you so much and bye now. See you in the next one. So this video is a collaboration. So in this video, yeah,